Good evening, teacher and classmates. My name is Dilia Margarita Reyes Villamizar, a student and industrial engineer at the University UNAM. For this video, I want to support the activities step 2. First, I will try to explain a concept, lack of benefit information, including 2 recommendations to avoid this starter. The competitive omnis and company is inducing creation of value in space and innovation. To ensure its innovation is necessary, these ideas are patented during this presentation. We will see an obstacle observed when making recommends to gather information to that. Benefit or protect or lack information or benefit or protection intellectual property. Now, we will see the synoptic chart. The protection of residential property is an investment. It's important insofar as now increasing the value in the company. Management value increasing on value to broaden to asset base, increasing productiveness in the future. The value in the conventional properties is important insofar as we convert given asset into excluded property right because 1. Trends overly impressive assets to exploit misintention assets to normal tensions feeds over. Reason to patent your inventions. Intellectual property can be essential when converting ideas and investable in innovative and competitive products. Because 1. Patent provides to exclude right to exploit the invention, offer a strong market position by preventing others from using your invention competitively. A return on investigation when marketing the invention. Causes and consequences of not making patents with a company. Loss in exclusivity rights for their products and their exploitation which imply the loss of economic benefits. Loss on industrial growth, possible advantage of competitors, or imitation of their products. Now, recommendations to avoid the obstacle definitive. Recommendation on how avoid the lack information on benefits of protection intellectual property in a company. Intellectual property is a costing element in a reality differences. The product or service we use it in daily life is a real innovation lab smart. Companies often do not value or add totally innovate the value intellectual property and they base it in the potential for future benefit from their use. However, intellectual property can become a valued asset when it is protected and accordant with the law and when there is in demand in the market for the protected products and services. Now, a recommendation to avoid the obstacle definition. 1. Know what intellectual property is. National laws recognize the product and personal mental effort and intellectual improvement right. Intellectual property is an instrument to allow you protect your company's assets. Find one a patent is. What it requires to obtain patents. The course union to the capital do not instead is value. Consult experts. Set the habits of health experts. Intellectual property is a complex set of advice do not profitability. Integrar intellectual property into your business strategy. Use patents and trade secrets to create value with your organization. Review the version we know your company and consider including an achievement called on general investigation.